Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we review the best products on Amazon so you don't waste your money. Today we're taking a close look at the ASUS E510 Ultra Thin 180 degrees hinge laptop, and by the end of this video you'll know exactly whether it's worth your money or not. Let's get into it. Are you tired of dealing with laptops that are as thick as bricks? The E510 Ultra Thin 180 degrees hinge laptop is a game changer for anyone who wants a slim and portable device that still packs a punch. With its incredible portability, you can take this laptop anywhere and work or play on the go. So, what makes this laptop so special? Well, for starters, it's perfect for students, travelers, and anyone who needs a reliable device that won't weigh them down. The E510 is designed to be your trusty sidekick, always there to help you get things done. Plus, its 15-inch HD display is a joy to look at, making every task feel like a breeze. One of the standout features of this laptop is its incredible hinge mechanism. With an 180 degrees opening, you can easily switch between tablet mode and laptop mode, giving you more flexibility than ever before. It's also a huge space saver when closed, making it perfect for tossing into a backpack or bag. But what really sets the E510 apart is its battery life. I've had this laptop with me for hours on end without needing to recharge, even when I was using it at full blast. That's thanks to its efficient Intel Celeron N4020 processor and long-lasting 256GB SSD. With this power under the hood, you can take on anything that comes your way. Now, let's talk about some of the things customers love about the E510 Ultra Thin 180 degrees hinge laptop. For starters, its slim design makes it easy to slip into a bag or purse without taking up too much space. I've also noticed that the keyboard is surprisingly quiet and responsive, making it perfect for typing out emails or reports on the go. That being said, there are some minor complaints from customers. Some have noted that the battery life could be a bit longer, especially when using resource-intensive apps like video editing software. Additionally, a few reviewers have mentioned that the display is not as bright as some other laptops in its class. Overall, though, the E510 Ultra Thin 180 degrees hinge laptop is an absolute steal. With its unbeatable portability, powerful processor, and long-lasting battery life, it's perfect for anyone who wants a reliable device that won't break the bank. If you're looking for a laptop that will keep up with your busy lifestyle without weighing you down, look no further than the E510. If this review helped, hit subscribe and the bell so you never miss our weekly Amazon reviews.